So if you want to solve the 4x4, maybe for fun or for your cubing goals, here's how in just 5 minutes. Before we get started, there are a few differences from the 3x3. First, we can turn pretty much normally, but what it can't do is destroy pieces. For example, the yellow center will stay the same no matter how scrambled, whereas the 4x4, it can be broken up by doing a wide move like this. The edges can also be split apart, and these are called wings. You can think of it as mini edges, and these four center pieces as mini centers. Alright, now that we know the changes, let's get started. The first step is to build the white and yellow centers. We'll build the white center first by creating bars, which should be done in a few moves. So bring one mini white center up to connect into a center bar. Looking around, these remaining two are far away. Again, align the centers to form a bar. And when you're doing this, make sure it doesn't break any bars we've made. To bring these to the top, align so it goes into the empty slot for our white center, which will place it at the bottom. Onto the yellow center, which is pretty similar. There's none on the top, so bring one mini yellow center up there. Now we can't just do it in one move since it'll break the white center. Instead, bring it up, move it aside, and undo. Next one. Up, aside, and down. And the last two, like so. Now when you're about to insert the last yellow bar, hide the top bar to the back, move it aside, and back down. Next step is to build the last four centers. Place the white center to the left, and we need to know which color to create in order is blue, orange, green, red. We can memorize this as big ostrich grab rats, or if you prefer yellow on the left, then it will be rats grab orange boats. We'll start by building the blue center first, so find two mini blue centers and attach it. Then the last two into forming the center in one move. Orange, same thing, attach into a bar. Just be careful to avoid breaking any bars we've made. Hide, aside, and back up. The green and red are quite tricky, so we'll make the green center by attaching one mini center at a time. By bringing it aside, open the slot in and down until all the centers are done. Okay, the next step is to pair up the edges. So we want to find two wings with the same color like red, white, and place these across from each other. Make sure the front colors are different. For example, this red-white wing has white at the front and the other is red. Then pair these into an edge. Insert any unpaired edge at the top like this one. Finally, undo the wide move and simply repeat for the rest. However, if these match, then simply bring one wing like this one on the right to the back. Now the front colors are different, so we can easily pair these together. Sometimes there will be no unpaired edges left to insert, then there's at least one by turning the cube upside down or one stuck in the middle. A rare case we could encounter is two unpaired wings with nothing to insert. This time we want to have these two match. To make them match, bring this right unpaired edge up, then hedge. Next, wide U prime, do the alg, undo, and now all the edges are paired up. The final step is pretty obvious, and that is to solve like a 3x3. But sometimes you could get 1 or 3 oriented edges, which is impossible on a 3x3. It's called OLL Parity. So choose any edge to the front. The alg is long, but there's a nice pattern to follow, and it's do a U2 after every wide move. Right up, U2, rotate, these twice, right and left down, then right down, up, and back down. Once that's done, we can continue solving the rest of the cube. However, if you encounter a PLL that doesn't exist called PLL Parity, or with the beginner's method when all of the edges are solved except there are 2 solved corners and that's also impossible, here's this short out to fix it. Now small r's mean to turn the right inner layer, also known as a slice turn, like this. U2 and these twice. Now we can solve it as usual. So that's everything about solving your first 4x4. While difficult at first, it'll feel surprisingly easy since you already know the 3x3. Alright, take care and have a great day.